Okay, so exercise number 13. I'm going to draw this front face with the arc and create that extrude, push it back, add on this bit sticking out the front and our holes after that. But I'm going to only draw half of it again so that I can mirror the other half so I don't have to worry about doing all of the same dimensions twice. So I'm going to go sketch, choose my front face. I'm going to grab my line tool. I'm going to come along my red line, and that one's going to be 50. And then I'm just going to start drawing things that look about right. Something like that. And then up. And then we have a little line, and then our arc comes off that line. So let's dimension that. There to there is 12. There to there is 12. This one here is 18. This line here in our drawing is 38. And then we don't know what this one is, but we do know from here to here, well, let's go that point there, should be 20, which it is, and we can't do it because there's already enough information on here. So I'm going to grab my arc tool, and this time I think I'm going to use a 3-point arc. So I'm going to choose the point here, the point in here, and I'm just going to draw it like that. And then I'm going to come back through and dimension it because I know I should have a radius of 10. And it should end up about right. Let's just double check that dimension there. Should still be right. Still 20, which is good. And that's my radius of 10. So what I can do now is I can grab a line. I'm going to make it a construction line. I'm going to put it straight up the middle. Because we've got a couple of problems here. Number one is we need a center line or a construction line to mirror everything around. And number two is this arc isn't sitting on that line. So we're going to coincident him. So that just means two things have to be in the same spot. So that point has to be on that line. And now it's fixed. And then we're just going to select everything, which is all of our things here. And we're going to mirror them. Choose our mirror line, which is this line here, and they'll all appear on the other side. So we've got a slight issue in here with our arc. So what we might do is we might actually coincident this point onto this line as well. We should then fix it. So there's our shape. We're going to extrude him out. And how far am I going to extrude him back? Well, I'm just going to do the 30. So not the whole shape, but just the 30. Because I'm then going to grab this one and pull him out the front in a moment. So we've got to add some holes and pull him out the front. So let's grab our front face, create our sketch, and go in nice and close here. And so we actually need to grab that line. And then we also need to draw another arc down and around here. So let's grab our 3-point arc there to there. So here's a radius of 20. So let's just make him a radius of 20 so that there's a difference of 10 between it the whole way around. We're going to finish our sketch and we should be able to just extrude him. Oops, sorry, wrong button. If that ever happens, we can finish it. Come down here and delete that extra sketch. We're going to extrude him out. How far? 15, because it's 30 years here and we've got 45 up here, so it's an extra 15. Okay, so there is our shape. We now need to put in a hole here, here, and one over here. So for these holes, I could use the hole tool, but that gets really complicated with real holes and threads and things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the circle tool and then I'm going to extrude it. So we're going to go create sketch. I'm going to draw my circle, which is a diameter of 10. And then I just need to dimension him so it's in the right spot. So from there to there is 15. And then from here to here was 9. And then I can just select that. I should hopefully be able to mirror him. Well, I can't mirror him because I don't have a line. So let's just throw a line in instead of having to draw a whole nother circle. And we're going to mirror him around that line. There's my 2 circles. Finish my sketch. extrude, extrude all the way back through. There's 2 holes. And this other hole, we're going to run straight through the whole thing. I know you can't see it on here, but I'm going to do mine so it goes through everything. So create our sketch. Circle again. It is a diameter of 10. Just need to dimension him to the right spot. So from the side, it is 15 to the middle. And from here to the bottom line is 10. Finish that sketch. Here, extrude. Now I could do that. A couple other things you can do in here. Instead of a distance, I can say through everything. And it'll just cut through everything. I don't know where to stop. So there is my shape, exactly how you see it in exercise 13.